We go. Hey Scott, this is Walter. I just want to say, first and foremost, thank you so much for everything that you've done, and I mean everything you've done on YouTube, Instagram, 4LC Studios. You, Pablo, your whole team is killing it. And because of you, I actually wanted to say thank you because I am trying to quit my day job so I could start my wedding business. It all started out because my friend needed me to film his wedding, and I didn't know what to do. I honestly was I just didn't know what to do. What I did was I searched YouTube on how to shoot a wedding, and you came up. It was when, I think it was all the job shadows, and I studied those 1 hour videos of yours, and it was solid. I mean, everything from prep, ceremony, reception to like the way you work. I was so floored at that video. I couldn't believe it. I studied that video at least 20 times. And because of that, I exploded on your channel. I watched every video on gear, your editing, the shortcut keys. Oh my god, you saved so much time for me on my Mac. So like, for example, I started buying some of the gear that you bought. I know I was like months behind, but all I had was a Canon 80D, and where I'm at now, I actually have a GH5, GH5S, like Tascam. I got the Zhiyun Crane 2, the classic Zhiyun Crane. I got the monopod that you have. I bought the memory cards, like everything. I even bought the Midland radio with the earpiece that you use for your weddings, because I had trouble with communicating with my shooters, and that just that alone saved me so much anxiety and stress. One of the things that you did in your tutorials was like your shooting, and I was very curious about how you shot. And there was one scene that you did where you basically, hold on, let me just grab this. So you grabbed your camera and you placed it against the wall, and not against the wall, but you basically like revealed, or you showed the bride getting ready, and like you did that side thing, and I don't know if you used the wall or maybe it was a person's back, but the bride was getting ready, and I just wanted to use that so badly. And because of that, I use it for all my weddings. I love those reveals. Those are my favorite things to do now. So anyways, sorry. Okay, so my favorite vlog, and this is going to hit me home. This is going to hit home for me because it was a vlog that I couldn't believe that was going to happen. But I was on Instagram and you went live. You were asking people 8 months ago, I think it was August or September, people Q&A for you, and I asked you this question, and I asked you how to deal with competition, or how to, like, when other businesses have better gear or they're getting more gigs. That was a very vulnerable time for me because I couldn't find any jobs. I bought a camera, I bought the crane, and I couldn't find work. And when I asked that question, I was so scared, and I said to myself, I'm so stupid. This is such a dumb question. He's not going to answer this. He's just going to pass by on the comments, because the comments just kept popping up. And lo and behold, you picked my question. I remember standing up from my desk, and I was freaking out. and basically, your answer, which hit home so hard to me, was that the way you deal with competition is that you don't pay attention to the competition. You stick to your zone. You charge what you want to charge, and you know that other businesses have better gear. You know that they have more gigs, or maybe you do or you don't know, but their prices are higher, or maybe there's a lot of guys that have lower, but you just stick to your zone. And your final answer to me and everyone else that was watching you on Instagram Live was, don't worry about it. And that was a big time for me, because I was watching everyone on Instagram, on YouTube, on everyone that's being so successful with something that I wish I could do. And that's my favorite vlog, is because you answered my question, and and I just want to say thank you again. I appreciate that. Again, my name is Walter. You take it easy, man. It's good. This is so cool. Keep doing you. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.